Hey friends, it's me, your craft buddy. Are you ready to have some fun today? We are going to be amazing artists. We will use our hands and our imaginations to create something really, really special. We'll make beautiful things out of paper and other cool stuff you can find around the house. It's a fantastic adventure in creativity. Creative hats on, colors, shapes, and tons of fun. Let's go. Okay, artists. Before we start, let's gather our tools and treasures. It's like a scavenger hunt in your own home. For paper flowers, find colorful paper, any colors you love. A big, bright, flat lay helps us see everything. Maybe red, blue, yellow, even sparkly if you have it. We also need green paper and straws or green pipe cleaners for stems. Find a glue stick or safe, kid-friendly glue, and a pair of safety scissors. We'll use them carefully with a grown-up. Crayons and markers add special details. For animal friends, empty rolls and googly eyes, or draw eyes with a marker. Great job finding everything. Are you ready to make your very first paper flower? Pick your favorite color and lay it flat. Ask a grown-up to help cut 5 or 6 long skinny strips. Look at them, colorful rainbow noodles. Put a tiny bit of glue on one end, bend into a loop, press and hold. 1, 2, 3. Great job. 1 beautiful petal. Repeat with all the strips. Make a loop, add glue, press together. Cut a small circle for the center, maybe yellow, maybe black. Add glue around the edge. This is where the petals will live. One at a time, press petals around the circle. Wow, it's starting to look like a real flower. Give it a stem, tape or glue a green straw or pipe cleaner to the back. Let's decorate. The center is plain now. Try a happy face, a spiral, or polka dots with your marker. You can add glitter with a grown-up's help, gold, silver, or rainbow. Close the lid when you're done. Draw stripes on one petal and spots on another. Use lots of colors. Cut leaves, oval or pointy, and glue 1 or 2 onto the stem. Make a bunch and create an indoor paper flower garden. So colorful and bright, just like a real garden. Every flower is special because you made it. Beautiful work, artist. Ready for our next amazing craft? Let's use empty rolls and turn them into cute animal friends. Wrap the roll with your favorite color paper. Ask a grown-up to help cut to size. Glue and smooth. Now it's bright and ready. Pick a color for your animal's body. Put 2 tiny glue dots and press on googly eyes. No googly eyes? Draw them, big round, sleepy, or smiling. Add a little triangle nose and a happy mouth. Wiggle, wiggle. So silly. Our rolls are turning into friendly characters already. Which animal will you make next? Let's add ears, wings, and tails. Ready? Let's craft. A bouncy, floppy-eared bunny. Cut 2 long ears and add little pink centers. Glue ears inside the top, floppy and cute. Add a fluffy cotton tail. Draw long whiskers. Your bunny is ready to hop. A wise old owl, hoot hoot. Cut wings, glue on each side, and bend a little. A tiny yellow beak goes between the eyes. Hoot hoot, ready to fly. Let's make a playful puppy. Woof woof. Long floppy ears make it extra cute. Give your puppy a silly tongue. Add a tail, curl it for a wag. What a great animal team. Some tools need extra care, like scissors. Grown-ups help keep us safe while we cut flower petals and animal ears. You can say, "Grown-up, can you please help me cut this?" Draw a line to show where to cut. Great teamwork. With glue, a little dot, not a lot. Grown-ups can help hold ears and petals until they stick. Your grown-up is your best craft buddy. Asking for help is smart and keeps crafting fun. You're being responsible and careful. Great job. Whenever you see scissors or liquid glue, remember to call your helper. High five to all our helpful grown-ups. Wow! Look at everything you made today. Beautiful, colorful paper flowers and silly, cute animal friends. Your choices make your art unique and special. Being an artist is about creating and having fun while you make it. Give yourself a big pat and maybe a happy dance. Our adventure isn't over. It's cleanup time. Find all the red scraps. Now the blue ones. Caps on tight. Click. We can use them again next time. Great job cleaning up. Hold your crafts carefully. It's show and tell. Show your family and tell them how you made them. Find a special place to display.